$10,000 for a brand new electric car. Not $30,000, not $20,000, just 10 grand. While Tesla's cheapest Model 3 costs $39,000 and most EVs hover around $40,000, China just dropped the Geely Xingyuan with a touchscreen, 250-mile range, and a full warranty. Did the entire EV industry just get turned upside down? I'm about to show you why your expensive EV should be shaking in its boots. What's up, Auto Ride crew? I'm not here to bash expensive EVs, but if you paid more for a used Nissan Leaf than this costs brand new, you might want to sit down. Today, we're diving deep into the Geely Xingyuan, a Chinese electric car that's rewriting the rules of affordable EVs. By the end of this video, you'll question everything you thought you knew about EV pricing. Let's talk numbers, because this is where it gets absolutely wild. The Geely Xingyuan starts at 69,800 yuan in China, roughly $9,900 at current exchange rates. The top trim, 98,800 yuan, or about $14,000. For comparison, a Tesla Model 3 starts at $39,000. A Chevy Bolt EV? $27,000. You could literally buy 3 Xingyuans for the price of one base Tesla, even a used 2020. Nissan Leaf with 50,000 miles costs more than this thing brand new with 0 miles and a full warranty. But here's the thing. This isn't some stripped-down golf cart. You get LED headlights, alloy wheels, and a modern interior. It's not just cheap, it's potentially industry-breaking. The Xingyuan is a compact 5-door hatchback measuring 4,135 millimeters long, 1,805 millimeters wide, and 1,570 millimeters tall. Slightly smaller than a Volkswagen ID.3, but with a respectable 2,650 millimeters wheelbase for interior space. Geely offers 2 battery options: a 30.12 kilowatt-hour pack with 310-kilometer range, about 193 miles, or a 40.16 kilowatt-hour battery, delivering 410-kilometer range, roughly 255 miles. Both use CLTC testing, which is optimistic, so real-world range is about 20% less. Still, 200-plus miles for 10 grand is insane. Powertrain options: a base 58 kilowatt motor producing 78 horsepower, or a more powerful 85 kilowatt unit with 114 horsepower. Top speed, 125 to 135 kilometers per hour, about 80 miles per hour. Perfect for city and highway cruising. Hold up. Before we go deeper into this game changer, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Here on AutoRide, we cover the latest EVs and automotive disruptors. You don't want to miss this revolution. Step inside and you'll see what Geely calls a symmetrical cabin design, digital instrument cluster, central touchscreen running Geely's infotainment. Higher trims get the Galaxy Flyme Auto Intelligent Cockpit, their version of Android Automotive. Seats fit 5 people, though rear space is tight. Build quality is solid for the price. Decent materials, leagues ahead of economy cars from a decade ago. Premium leather, but it feels modern and durable. For context, this interior tech package would cost $2,000 as an option on most American cars. Here, it's standard. The reality? This is a city car. 78 to 114 horsepower, 135 kilometers per hour. Top speed, torsion beam rear suspension. Not winning drag races against a Tesla Plaid. Charging speeds aren't super fast either. Daily commuting and urban driving are its wheelhouse. Currently, it's only in China, with no confirmed US or EU plans. But for 90% of daily driving needs, it's perfect. At $10,000, the Xingyuan creates its own category. The cheapest new electric vehicle in America is the Chevy Bolt at $27,000. Europe? Dacia Spring around 20,000 euros. Even used EVs cost more. Honest note, Chinese domestic pricing benefits from subsidies, lower labor costs, and no import duties. If it came to America, expect nearly double after shipping, certification, tariffs, and markups. Still, even at $20,000, it would crush the competition. Target audience: first-time EV buyers in China wanting electric mobility without the premium price. Perfect for city commuting, short trips, or treating cars as appliances rather than status symbols. Highway performance, long-range, premium features? Look elsewhere. For urban driving and basic transportation, the value is undeniable. The EV equivalent of a reliable Honda Civic, the Xingyuan shows affordable EVs are possible today. Chinese automakers prove EVs don't need to cost $40,000 plus. As they expand globally, traditional automakers will feel the pressure to cut prices or add value. Geely owns Volvo and has partnerships worldwide. Expect a version in Western markets within 2 to 3 years. Affordable EV game about to change forever. The Geely Xingyuan proves ultra-affordable electric mobility is real. Not perfect, not global yet, but basic, reliable, and revolutionary. Expensive EVs worried? Absolutely. The Xingyuan isn't a luxury car, it's accessibility for millions previously priced out. Long-term reliability TBD, but if Geely delivers, the global EV market could be reshaped. Traditional automakers, your move. Would you drive a $10,000 Chinese EV, or is brand reputation worth the premium? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read everyone. Hit like if this blew your mind. Subscribe for more industry-disrupting content and stick around. Next week, we'll compare this to the cheapest EVs you can buy in America. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, keep riding into the future.